It all starts now on Step It Up with Steph. On today's episode, we're meeting a self-proclaimed perfectionist. I've brought in some experts who, along with myself, are going to help her keep the perfectionistic tendencies that are working for her and ditch the ones that are not. Plus, we've got one bowl dinners and a free-flowing workout, both of which are more effective if they're not done perfectly. But first, let's take it to the streets and see how random everyday people try to perfect things in their lives. What are you like a perfectionist about? What are you trying to make perfect?
I'm very perfectionist about my fashion, so I try to dress very clean and nice and have a lot of things like in place and
yes.
like that.
Okay, great.
I color coordinate my clothes.
Okay, that's great. In your closet?
Yeah.
Okay, I do that too. So that's
I studied music for a bit, and so typically singing I think is a kind of something that I think requires a bit of like a perfectionistic mindset.
I think my schedule, I really like to have a schedule that's like to a T.
Yeah.
When she was little, like I would go in her room and you could move something like
a picture frame,
3
barely
inches,
turn it,
and she would walk in the room immediately and straighten it back up.
Yes.